Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My wife inspired me to do a Pokemon video for my channel. And it might be going up on hers. I'm speaking in a low voice because it's a little late here. So, what we're gonna do is we're going to go over to create a new deck. Deck Wizard. Unlimited. Pick at random. So, we're gonna save. This is actually pretty funny. That's a goal. Ah, that's not bad. So, I am gonna change my deck box. Just because I don't like that deck box. I'm gonna change my sleeves. So, this is just the deck right here. I just go through it quickly. I didn't see much of it. So, alright. Let's do this. Complete and utter randomness. This is gonna be complete fun. Did you see what you're playing? Did you see what I'm playing?
No. Oh, so bad.
I swear it was at random. You can watch the video. What? Man, I wish I could smoke some grass. What? What's so funny? Oh, that's what they say, right?
That's okay.
No, that's not what they say. It's actually you. I have a feeling that this game isn't gonna last long.
Probably isn't.
You know, I kinda wanna get a... That's not nice. I wanna get a mat like this. It's a nice mat.
It'd be cool.
Jeez. What a Mega AEX, Mega Evolution, Anti-Mega Evolution card. I don't think I play any. It's a pretty good card. I'm gonna wait for that.
I just got booted off.
I don't know what it does. It's doing that. Not that it matters, because I had Charizard in hand. Let's be honest, Charizard was gonna wreck through everything you had.
Yeah, probably.
You wanna go again? Try again, or no? What do you want to do?
Be fun.
Okay. I'll go again. Yeah, same deck. Why you don't want to play with that deck?
Also, don't do as we do. Don't play random decks.
She said, don't do what we do, don't play random decks. These decks are pretty bad. They go for fun. Although I was doing pretty well. Maybe the idea is to play Charles on Unlimited with all those draw powers. I had to change my coin to Charizard coin. That's a nice looking coin. So this is probably gonna be the last one. I know it's a short video. I did a short video yesterday, so I figured why not doing that short one today. I forgot to do my Facebook video. Oh well. Anyway.
This is gonna be a quick game.
Indeed it is. That keeps happening. Wait, what? I didn't mean to do that. Dang it. I meant to use this. That misclick. That's most unfortunate, eh? Nice Amy. Oh, right. Never mind.
Well, that was fast.
That's his man 5.
That's why you can't catch it, babe.
Yeah. Hey! For anybody who didn't catch that reference, that little back and forth banner between us, it's from Justice League. Check it out. They actually made sexual jokes on that show. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, know anything in the comments below. I'll catch you guys later. Jinzo. Good morning.